How to send gifts on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send gifts on Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send gifts on Instagram Reels, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And currently you can see this specific reel and you can see other reels. Just keep in mind that not all the reels are actually going to be eligible for sending a gift. For example, you can see this reel do not have the send gift option, but this reel over here has the send gift button that you can find here. It means that if the creator has allowed it, you will be able to send it. If the creator is not eligible, you will not be able to send it. So here in this case, just tap the send gift option over here, and now you should be able to simply select any of the gift that you would like to add. Tap the add to balance option and simply make sure to enter your payment details and so on, and then you'd have successfully sent them gifts on Instagram. That's the only thing that you can do. If the creator does not have the gift eligibility, you will not be able to send them, as I can send to this one over here. So hope this video helped you as to how you can send gifts on Instagram Reels. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.